Today was my filming day and I filmed two lip swatch videos today, because of which my lips are in desperate need of moisturization right now. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be trying a lip patch by the brand Tony Moly. I have been thinking of doing such sort of video on my channel since past a few months. Like, I wanted to try some different sort of skincare products and the makeup products that are available in the market, which might seem weird initially. They do have the capability to work well. So in the first part of this series, I would be trying and talking about my experience with this lip patch by the brand Tony Moly. Now, I didn't buy this lip patch for this particular video. I have had this lip patch for past 5 or 6 months. I bought it on Nykaa because it looked really different and it honestly looked really cute in the packaging. So I wanted to give it a try, but I didn't actually get a chance to try it earlier. But today, when I wanted to have something for my lips, and while I was searching for a lip scrub in my skincare drawer, I found this particular lip patch which I thought of trying. Because after swatching almost like 15 lipsticks, my lips do feel dry and they do need a lot of moisturization. So first, let's talk about this particular lip patch, like how much is it retailed for, or where can you get in, all that sort of things, and then we'll go into trying this particular one. So this particular lip patch is by the brand Tony Moly, which I've already said a couple of times. This retails for 150 rupees and this has a shelf life of 2 years. Now this is a one-time product, so for one-time product 150 rupees might seem a little pricey, because if you compare this particular one with a lip balm, any lip balm which retails for 150 rupees, that lip balm can be used several times, but this particular lip patch can only be used once. So it is sort of something similar to a sheet mask, I would say, but I guess in a different texture. I haven't actually used this product yet, so I am not exactly sure about the texture. But before actually recording this video, I did went online and checked a few videos of what others have to say about this particular lip mask. So this is a silicone textury lip mask which actually makes your lips feel really moisturized and really baby soft. Now let's talk about the current situation of my lips first. Currently my lips do feel dry, but they are not dry, like they're not very dry, they're not chipped or any sort of a thing. They are decently moisturized. Like, I could have worked with a lip balm maybe, but because I had this, I wanted to give this a try with you guys. So now let's just open this particular one. This lip patch is made in Korea and it is easily available on Nykaa for 150 rupees. The list of ingredients and how you have to use this lip mask is actually mentioned on the back of the packaging. Now let's just quickly open this up and see whether is it worth 150 rupees or not. So it does have a little opening right here which you can just pull apart, I guess, to open this particular thing. I need to be very careful because from here it seems a little liquidy and very moistury, so I'll be really careful while opening this up. See, so I have opened it this much, and I thought that I'll be able to show it to you guys, but it is not very easy to open it on the camera, specifically because I have to be really careful while doing so. Okay, so I think I'll just leave it right here. This is how the lip patch looks like. I'll now just very carefully take this lip patch out. I, by the way, do not have long nails on my right hand, which is a plus because this is a very delicate thing to handle. It feels really soft. I'll just try and show you how it looks. So yes, this is how it looks. It is in the shape of lips, and we have to place this on the lips for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll just quickly place this on my lips for 15-20 minutes and I'll be right back with my welcome back. So it has been 15 minutes and I have already removed this mask from my lips. Now onto the fact what I feel about this mask. Right now, I honestly am not very happy with the way my lips are feeling. They are feeling a little bit sticky and I am having a sort of tingling feeling in my lips. I actually forgot to tell you that I do have a very sensitive skin, but I didn't know that I do have sensitive lips as well, because whenever I have applied a lipstick or a lip scrub, it has never happened any product irritated my lips or had a tingling feeling, apart from the plumping lip glosses which are usually available in the market. But this particular lip mask, I am not very sure about what was this supposed to do, because it gave me that tingling feeling. Like initial 2 or 3 minutes my lips were tingling, and now when I have removed this lip mask from my lips are still tingling a little bit. I was hoping to feel baby soft lips, but right now my lips do feel like I need some sort of a moisturization on them. So personally for me, this product was a complete fail. This, apart from looking pretty, it did not work for me whatsoever, and for me it was not at all worth 150 rupees. But after trying this product, I am really curious to try other lip masks that are available in the market. I'm not sure whether this was supposed to be a one-time thing, or does this thing requires time to work for you. Maybe you need 3 or 4 such sort of lip masks for your lips to feel baby soft or something. But for 150 rupees in one mask, and then investing in for 4 to 5 times of use, investing so much money, I don't think that this is worth the price. I do feel that you can easily go for a lip balm instead of this particular one, and make your lips feel the way you want. Or even in that case, you can easily apply coconut oil and make your lips really soft and smooth. Honestly saying, you do not need this in your life. But after trying this, I have become really curious to try other lip masks that are available in the market. I am not sure what all other brands offer such lip masks in India. If you are aware of some brands which make such sort of lip masks in India, if you have a particular request, a particular product you want me to review, then do let me know in the comment section down below, because I would love to try new and weird, unusual makeup and skincare products here on my channel. So I hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.